Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, let's start. First comes the Korean word for fountain, and that is 분수, 분수. Next comes the Korean word for the majestic creatures, dinosaur, and that is 공룡, 공룡. Now let's see how we are going to say traffic light in Korean, and it is called 신호등, 신호등. Now comes the Korean word for drawer, and that is 서랍, 서랍. Next, let's see the word for lock in Korean, and that is 자물쇠, 자물쇠. Next comes the Korean word for rubber, and that is 고무, 고무. Now let's see the Korean word for picnic. Now there are two words for picnic. One is 소풍, 소풍, and the another one is picnic, picnic. So the first one is a Korean word, 소풍, and the second one, picnic, it is a Korean loan word, as you can see. Okay, next comes the Korean word for binoculars, and that is 쌍안경, 쌍안경. You can see that 안경 is the Korean word for glasses, and so binoculars, they are also a kind of glasses. So they have this term 안경 included in them. So in Korean, they are called 쌍안경. Okay, so this is how it becomes easy for us to remember. Next comes the Korean word for nut, and that is 매듭, 매듭. And the last one is the Korean word for swing, and it is called 그네, 그네. Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.